Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the topic hunger, hardships, and popular reward. Students, as you know that during industrial revolution occurred in England. Okay, the first half of 19th century saw an enormous increase in the population. Okay, in Europe there was increasing in population going to day by day. Okay, and most country there were more seekers of job. Okay, those who want to employment they are coming in Europe for the job opportunity. Population from rural area also migrated to the cities to live in outcrowded slums. You know about that. If there will be a population on that time, area will be congested, and in congested area, slums area, they are going to live. And small producer in towns were often faced. Small producer on these towns often faced tough competition because during your industrial revolution in Britain, all prepared material goes to Europe, and it creates a problem for the small producer. And when we are going to do the work on machines, it will be cheap for us. And when we are doing the work with the hands and other thing, on that time it increase the cost of the production. That's why the industrialist of Britain, they sold the material in Europe, and it created a problem for the small producer. And this was especially so in the textile production. Okay, what was the, and you also know about that from our country they also take the raw material to Britain, send to Britain, and after finished product they are going to sold in India. Yeah, this one is a good example for you people that how it create a problem. This create also problem in Indian weavers when the Britisher sold the material here, finished product here then, and this type of problem also Europe faced. In those regions of Europe where the aristocracy still enjoyed power. Okay, Europe, some reason of those reason where aristocracy, your royal family are still enjoying power, peasants struggle under the burden of feudal dues and obligations. Okay, peasants always face the so many problems by the feudals, landowners. The rise of food price of your bad harvest, and when you know about that, when population is going to increase, if we are not going to increase the food production, then it creates a problem, and this type of problem Europe also faced. And the year 1848 was one such year. Food storage and widespread employment brought the population of Paris out on the roads. On that time, they opposed the rulers, and they opposed the aristocracies ki, if there is a food storage and you have not giving us the wages also, the lower wages, they were going to do the work on lower wages. Okay, up to here you, and next I will send to you. Okay, thank you.